I'm your captain. Follow me. Guys, look at me. The struggle is real. Quick steps.
Hi guys, so finally we are out and look who's here.
Hi everyone. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. And Asma was so sick, but now alhamdulillah she is feeling little good.
Yes.
And we are on the way to this place called Jhari Waterfalls. So guys, before I tell you about the place, let me just talk about what we have got. First of all, we have this beautiful lady here. So these are like some trekking shoes. This is my camera bag. And we have got some chairs from the Quecha.
From Decathlon.
From Decathlon, they are of Quecha. And there is some more chair here somewhere. They're hidden kind of. We have got these new, caps. They can help us in terms of sun.
Yeah, the sun is very strong now.
We have got a mat there. We have got some more gear in the front. And if I'll show you my bag, this is something I'm loving it. So here is my drone. So this is a remote control, and we have got some extra mics. And also you can see there is a gimbal out there. Today we are going to this waterfalls because आज ईद थी तो ज़्यादातर टाइम ईद में ही निकल गया. और कल फिर हम लोग कवर करेंगे मुल्यानगिरी, द हाईएस्ट पीक इन कर्नाटका. और उसके बाद जो कुछ बच गया, अगर हैप्पी वाटरफॉल्स जा सकते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड, अदरवाइज वहाँ से हमारी ट्रिप हो जाएगी समाप्त. एंड दैट्स इट. एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो टू दिस झरी वाटरफॉल्स विद आवर बीस्ट. सो लेट्स गो. तो गाइस अभी हम लोग आ गए झरी वाटरफॉल्स में, लेकिन दिक्कत क्या है कि यहाँ पे अपनी कार छोड़ के हम लोग को ये दूसरे जो पुरानी 4x4 है ना महिंद्रा की और बोलेरो टाइप की, वो लेना है. तो अभी हम लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं. इन लोगों ने रेट बताया है, कुछ 800 रुपये रेट है. तो गाइस नाउ वी आर ट्रैकिंग डाउन टू झरी फॉल्स. सो देयर वर पीपल, दे वर आस्किंग अबाउट दैट वी शुड टेक दोज 4x4 cars, but we said okay, we will just walk. So I'm not sure how much this decision is correct. So let's see.
Let me say something, guys. You can see the road is very, very bad. Like seriously, you have to be rough and tough to be able to climb, and especially because it's like this, it's going down. So it's little, you get, you can slip, but you have to be, what you have to be with?
Rough and tough.
Yeah.
And I just now I showed my trekking shoes and I left them in car only. I came in running shoes.
Oh guys.
So I hope I don't
genius.
slip. You got hurt?
حمرية.
Amriya? But this is Ganpatia.
Ganpatia? Like this حمرية.
Ganpatia.
Like this حورية.
गाइस तो हम लोगों ने अपने 800 रुपये बचा लिए. वी हैव सेव्ड जस्ट 800 rupees. How are you feeling about this?
The experience is good. You can see how I look. I'm walking.
You're looking so perfect, rough and tough, like Indiana Jones kind of, you know. That movie of adventure. So you're enjoying the trek?
Enjoying, but
First, give your update of your health. Because in this vlog,
guys,
every 2 minutes we'll be giving your health update.
health review.
Health review, yes.
So basically I have the flu. Have a runny nose, and but for now there is no fever.
Good.
Thank God.
See, you can hear the water.
Yeah, you can hear the water. We will go and we'll check the waterfall. Nice. Beautiful. Actually this is good. If we will come by car we will not enjoy. And you can see I am full covered of sand, and we are alone here. There is no one walking. Everyone is coming down by those cars, but we chose to come by feet.
Yeah.
So babe, there are animals, they live here in the jungle?
Obviously, jungle is for animals.
Like tigers?
Not tigers, like small,
Like what?
like monkey.
Monkey, it's
and,
fine. Tigers are there?
Are black monkeys? They're slapping people here. You know, I've heard.
So why you got me here?
Let's see. We have got all kind of trekking gears today.
See, we are literally hiking. What are you taking, babe?
So now this is the next gadget which we are having to stabilize the clip, because we are trekking, so a lot of that movement is happening. So guys, this is my favorite drink from Saudi Arab, Musi, and we will open.
It's nice.
I love it.
Yeah. I'm tired.
सो गाइस, फिर वही कहानी. दार्जिलिंग में आपने देखा होगा, आसानी से उतर तो गए, अब चढ़ने में देखो क्या होता है. और देखो भाई, हम तो चढ़ जाएंगे ऐसा मतलब लग रहा है दार्जिलिंग के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद, लेकिन ये दोनों का क्या होता है आई एम नॉट श्योर. अगर इन लोग नहीं चढ़ पाए देन वी हैव टू टेक अ कॉल. वहाँ पे अगर कुछ व्हीकल मिला तो उसको लेना पड़ेगा. और एक और चीज़ क्या है कि ये थोड़ा सा डस्टी है, मतलब जो ट्रैक है यहाँ का ये थोड़ा सा डस्टी है. और अभी बच गया है 5:10. सनसेट का टाइम है 6:10. तो एग्जैक्टली हमारे पास है करीब 1 घंटा मान लो. अब 1 घंटे में पहुंचना भी है. और क्या है कि आई वांट टू डू दिस ड्रोन, सो उसके लिए क्या सनलाइट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Quick steps. We have to reach before the sun sets.
You guys are leading.
I'm your captain. Follow me.
Yalla.
Guys, look at me. The struggle is real. It's so real. Look. My brand new pants, trekking pants.
Seriously, tell me, if there is no car, then what we'll do?
Then I'll find some hotel and I'll sleep up there.
There only?
Then I'll come down.
Okay. What happened? You got tired?
Yeah.
What happened to the leader? You're the leader.
The leader is on break now.
Finally we reached here, and the good thing is the achievement is the sweat, and we didn't took any kind of car or 4x4. We just came from our feet.
It was so intense workout back in.
And believe me, in the video Asma is saying, the struggle is real.
It is.
And just so beautiful it is. Let me just show you from the front view. So guys, our vlog is finished here, and this is where we are sitting in one small cafe up on the hills. It was a long trek like you saw, so we took a 4x4 and it got us up, and now we will just head back to our place. We will take some good rest and we will be ready for the next vlog. So make sure you like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next vlog.